Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. Another Beetles swatch and review kind of thing. If you're new here, hello, welcome in. If you're returning, thank you very much for coming back. And I noticed I have a few new subscribers, so hello, welcome on in. I hope you're enjoying these videos. I'm still a bit new to all of this, so working my way through things, and yeah, I hope you have a good time. If you are new here and you're enjoying the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really does help, or dropping a like and a comment. It all helps with engagement and getting that YouTube algorithm going. This here is the Lizzie Girl set from Beetles Gel Polish. I got this from Amazon and it is currently £9.99 on the UK site. Such a bargain. 20 colours. You get your matte top coat, your glossy top coat and your base coat. And as you can see, you also get a few stickers in this one, and some cute little flower things and a brush. I'm a big fan of Beetles products. Haven't really come across any terrible ones yet. Some of the colours can be a little bit hit or miss. They usually maybe just need a couple of extra coats, but the majority of them are one coaters, which is nice considering the bottles are quite small, and these ones I think are 5ml. Yes, I am correct. And here's all the colours you get together. As you can see, quite a nice range there. Perfect for summer and spring. Some lovely yellows, oranges, pinks, purples, blues, a bit of everything really. I am going to swatch each one of these, and this time I'm not going to talk through each one because my last video, when I was trying to describe the colours, it was ridiculous. I am the worst at describing colours, so I will let the colours speak for themselves. See you on the other side. So I hope you enjoyed the swatches. I always find it so satisfying. I love watching swatch videos. So I hope I did a good job. This is all the colours here together and me doing some weird editing to try and make it look cool, but not doing very well there. So I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments which one was your favourite, which one was your least favourite, and please remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and I'll be back with a Shein haul at some point. Bye!